Hello, hello. Alright, today we'll be learning how to draw squares and rectangle. Alright, let's begin with the easier one. Okay, we'll start with this question. Draw a square A, B, C, D, where AB has a length of 4 cm. Alright, okay, this is a fairly easy question. Okay, firstly, you have to recall the property of a square. What's the property of the square? Yes, all sides are equal. What this means is that if AB is 4 cm, BC is 4 cm as well, CD is 4 cm, and AD is 4 cm. Alright, all sides have the same length. Now, we'll start by drawing line AB. Using a ruler and a pencil, I would draw a straight line. Always remember that your paper is not fixed to be horizontal on the table. You can always rotate your paper. Alright, so I'm going to draw 4 cm. Make sure you hold on to your ruler firmly. Alright, now what's next? I have to label 4 cm. That's right, 4 cm. Okay, and now I am going to draw the other sides. Okay, using your ruler and your set square. This is a set square, alright? I will always use, one thing to take note is that the ruler acts as a guide for you to slide your set square. What I mean is this, alright? If you line your ruler against the line that you have drawn just now, okay, you can see that you are actually able to use the ruler as a guide to slide your set square. Alright, now it's gonna be a bit hard because you see that I have to put my hand in an awkward manner, my arms in an awkward manner. Alright, okay, or what I can do is I can actually rotate the paper. Okay, so then again, I put my ruler against the line that I've drawn. Take note of these 2 points, these 2 points. Alright, these 2 points. Okay, I'm going to now glide my set square along the ruler, and I will stop gliding at the first point, right, where I started drawing my 4 cm just now. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line across using the set square. Now, this would be where my second side is. Now we know that all sides are equal, so this has to be 4 cm as well. So I measure out 4 cm and I put a marking where 4 cm is. Can you see this dot here? So from this point to this point is actually 4 cm. Now we do the same for the opposite side. Okay. Okay, put the ruler along the line that you have drawn. Okay, you slide your set square to the second point here. Alright, I remove my ruler, hold my set square firmly, and I draw a line across. Then again, I will mark out 4 cm. Make sure your ruler is along the line that you have drawn. Okay, I mark out 4 cm. Okay, can you see these 2 points that I've marked out from my drawing just now? Okay, we are going to draw the 4th line. Okay, what is a line? A line is formed when you join 2 points together using a ruler. So there are 2 points here. I'm going to join them using a ruler. So do you see a square? Yes. Are these extra lines part of your square? No. So I'm going to erase it using a ruler. Eraser. Make sure you erase it clean. Okay, so you have to get yourself a good eraser. Okay, I have to erase it clean. Alright, so I'm done here. I'm going to rotate the paper back. Okay, the next thing after you have formed a square is to label it. You have to label it when the question specifies like it's square ABCD. You have to label ABCD for your square. So in this case, we have yet to label ABCD. So I can put A at any point. Okay, I can put A here, I can put A here, I can put A here, I can put A here. Alright? So now, if I am going to put A here, where can my B be? Alright? Now, how do you actually label a square or rectangle? You label it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. What does this mean? It means that if I label it clockwise, this will be A, B, C, D. You can see it's clockwise, alright? If I label it anti-clockwise, it will be A, B, C, D. That's anti-clockwise, alright? So that's the rule of thumb when you are labeling a square or rectangle, okay? You cannot label it as A, B, C, D, alright? You are not following the rule of labeling, alright? Once again, I repeat, you do not label A, B, C, D because there is no direction, alright? You have to follow either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So in this case, I'm going to follow clockwise, so it will be A, B here, C, D. Now, I'm done with labeling the sides. Now, I am going to indicate that this is a square. Okay, so there's one option is to write down 4 cm, 4 cm, 4 cm, 4 cm. Of course, that will also indicate that this is a square. There is another way, which is to put markings on the sides. So if AB, I'm going to put this marking, a small vertical line here. If the other sides are the same, it would have a small line on its side as well to indicate that all sides are equal. Alright, so I hope that you have understood better on how to draw square ABCD. If there's still any other question, I hope you will approach me to get some clarification. Thank you.